Welcome back, people. Today we will see how to set up a development environment for JavaScript. We will be using VS Code as our code editor. If you don't want to execute your code on the browser and wish to execute in your computer, then you need Node.js. We also use Node to install third-party libraries. We will see how to install Node and how to use it in upcoming videos. But for now, let's use browser to run our code. Let's create a new, go to VS Code first. I have created a new folder, JavaScript code files. Now add a new file, let's say index.html. Download the extension called live server. Go to extensions, search for live server. You will get a extension like this. I've already installed it. You go on and install this extension. This is a lightweight web server that we will use to serve our web application. Now restart VS Code so that the live server comes into play. I already did all this. Now create a HTML boilerplate, which I have already created here. Now what you have to do is right click on index.html and click on open with live server. So now it's running. So what we will do is create a h1 in the body so that we can be sure that it is running. As you can see, even if you are not refreshing the website, since it is a live server, whatever changes that you make here appears over here. In order to write a JavaScript code, we need a script element. There are two places where you can add the script element, in the head or in the body. The best practice is to put the script at the end of the body section after all the HTML code. So here we have only one line of HTML code. So let's put the script over here. Why do we put the script tag at the bottom of the body? This is because the browser renders the file from top to bottom. If the browser starts executing the JS code, it is going to take a long time to get to the HTML and CSS. This delay will make up for a bad user experience. So what we will do here is go to our live website and inspect. So here in the console, you can see supporting tech being logged because we use the function console.log. Console.log logs the message on the console. Always remember to terminate a live code with a semicolon. So here add a semicolon in order to terminate it. Just like external CSS, which is housing the CSS in a separate file, we can also house our JavaScript code in a separate file. This is called separation of concerns. So what we will do is copy this line of code. I already have a file called ind.js. We will paste it here and save it. We'll save this as well. Now that all our script is in separate file, let's add a link to the file. So here in the script tag, add a source. CSS and HTML are very important to create a website. Check out our series on CSS and HTML to learn more about those things. So coming back to JavaScript, unlike CSS, the link to the script file will be inside the body, more specifically at the end of the body. So this is the link. Let's save this. Go to our website. You can still see the message, so our code is working perfectly fine. I hope you understand about setting up a development environment. In the next video, we will see about running JavaScript in Node. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.